what's up? My name is Jay, and today we're going to fix a clogged bathroom drain. As you can see, the drain fills up with water and goes down so slowly. I prepared a screwdriver, needle nose pliers, a motorcycle inner tube, and a bicycle pump. Now let's remove the screen on top. I'm already seeing lots of gunk and hair.
Ew.
Remember to dispose the hair and gunk properly and never drop them into the drain or they might make the clog worse. This part seems too easy that you don't even need a tutorial for this. But if this doesn't work, there are many other methods you can use. Perhaps the most common is using a hand plunger or even a pump that you use to inflate mattresses to create air pressure or water pressure. The problem is, they hardly give you enough volume and pressure to push really stubborn clogs. So here's the method I prefer. This should take less than 5 minutes if you don't encounter any unusual issues. As you can see, we still have a problem, so we're gonna use the inner tube and this water hose to channel water pressure from the tap into the drain. Just cut a foot-long section of it, preferably including the valve in case you need to help with the bicycle pump. Also cut the remaining into strips, then use the rubber strips to fasten the inner tube to the end of the hose. Insert the inner tube into the hole. If it's not large enough, you may have to kink it and allow it to balloon for the pressure to build up. Quickly shove it into the hole while it's still inflated with water to create a tight seal. This is extremely effective, especially if you have high water pressure at home. I used to borrow an air compressor, but it's too bulky, heavy, and just a lot of hassle. And not everyone has access to that kind of machine. I have also tried all kinds of stuff like chemicals, soda, vinegar, baking soda, hot water with salt, all of those things, but sometimes they're just not effective if the clog is too severe. Just keep the water flowing until the tube deflates. Once it does, you have cleared the clog. Congratulations! Finally, water drains quickly. I didn't have to use the bicycle pump. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. If you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also the notification button. Okay, that's it for now. Please feel free to comment whatever you need to fix at home. I might make a video about that in the future. See you next time.